now that you know like what it is, how to set it up, kind of how the process works, I mean, if you're really looking to increase your lead flow, let's say you already got it going and you're just looking to increase your lead flow, here's a couple things you can do. I mean, open up the budget. If you're only trying to spend, if you only have 500, a week to put at it, that's okay. I understand that. But if you have some marketing, let's say you're doing, billboards, radio ads. I mean, if you have a big budget, I mean, I would take part of that budget and deploy it here because unless you're seeing a better cost per lead than $129 a lead, which if you are, shoot me an email and I'd like to actually look into it and see what you're doing. But I would deploy as much budget here as you can to really drive as much business as you can. Make sure again you got all your service areas filled out, job types, list everything, but make sure you list all that out to get them as much coverage as like I said that you can. Again, close out every lead. Don't just set this up and forget it. Have either yourself or an office. A lot of our clients, whoever an office manager in the company might pop in here once a week and just kind of see what's going on. Make sure each lead is moving through the pipeline, right? Archive, book, and you can even, if it's an upcoming appointment, there's an option to do that upcoming appointment. So just make sure somebody, you designate, whether it's you or somebody in the office, is actually paying close attention to this and taking every lead through the whole process, and then make sure you're getting reviews. I mean, and the easy thing is whoever, as you're marking jobs, closing them out, and they haven't left a review, just request a review on the spot while you're in there into the dashboard. So, what should you do now? If you're a client of ours, then you're probably already rocking and rolling on this. If not, give it to your account manager ASAP, and we'll get you signed up and on the waiting list, or we'll get you rolling if it has already been rolled out in your area. So go ahead and start signing this up. Start going through the background check process. I've heard sometimes this can take a week or two and you can be done. Sometimes I guess it might depend on your employees or technicians. This could drag out for a month or two, right? If they need like to confirm something. I mean, they do some background. They're not just gonna let anybody come in here and sign up. Have some sort of tracking in place so that way you can kind of keep an eye on, all right, this is what we're spending. This is the amount of leads we're getting. It looks like we're closing this amount, this many leads and jobs, turning in this much revenue. I mean, you just kind of want to keep a good idea on what you're, what's going on, because if you're not getting a good ROI long term, then it might not be the best play for you. But what we're seeing is right now, while this is still an early adoption phase, that there's still definitely an ROI in all the markets we've seen. And then again, make sure you're leveraging everything, taking it from beginning to end. And I keep saying this, but play the game while the ROI makes sense, right? A lot of times when things are new to the scene like this, is the time to jump in and take full advantage of it. Now, keep in mind, I kind of already mentioned this. I mean, all of you should be signed up, but this is just one aspect of your internet marketing strategy. I mean, this year we've already talked about, the SEO, website conversion. We're going to be diving into some other means and methods throughout the year. I mean, this just needs to be one method you need to do to drive leads for business. But I can tell you from experience in our clients, yeah, leads are coming through here, but it is not where the bulk of the business is coming from. So I do recommend getting it implemented, but you can't just go out there, sign up for this, and think your business is going to change tomorrow. That's just not the way it works. You got to have a comprehensive marketing approach to really drive the leads from different avenues. And you don't want to rely on one source anyway, right? If something, Google could change this tomorrow, and then it's like, now what, right? You can only get so many form referrals and that kind of stuff. So if any of you, a lot of times, I talk to owners, they're like, man, I don't even want to deal with this. Will y'all just help me get this set up? I'm busy hiring techs, running around to jobs. we are offering, what we call free lead flow acceleration sessions where, we'll take a deep dive. We'll look at your current website, your current rankings, your Google My Business. Are you currently running local service ads or not? And we can kind of take a look at what you're doing currently. Like, man, it looks like you guys are killing it here. Looks like you might be slacking a little in this area. So if you tweak this a little bit more, you might be able to get, 10 more leads a month from this channel. I mean, every market company is different, right? So, but we are offering, a free session for you guys if you want to, sit down and we'll, even if you're, like I said, if you've already determined you don't want to deal with this, you're looking for a company to partner with and kind of point you in the right direction, then yeah, reach out to us and we can talk about moving forward.
Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.